Kynhun Myntri ke jela kala Pdiang ya Kaiphod jang ka komiti Tohkit balat luat halor ke jing tenok ki bayadai bat ke jing thiet mar ke jing do nong jang ka aggregated technical and commercial bat ke jing penyat ya ki brio jang ka Meecl bat ki lai teli ki tenat jang ka. Myntri rang ba ke jela konrat sang mau la ong ka Kynhun Myntri kala betha ya ka tenat boarding ban penti kena babaro kilat kilenti ban pentrai kami ke jing ai jing mut bat ban pen bana ya ka Kaiphod an sapen bana pat ba ha ka website ha kini kisngi banwan. Ka Kynhun Myntri kala menjuru ya kijing penkala ha ka Meghalaya Electronics Processes Issuance Service and Execution Rules 2025 but menjuru bantong ya Chief Secretary UDP wa langkom Chairman jang ka Meghalaya State Food Commission anda ula syang tan.
To inquire into allegations and to record findings and make recommendations concerning the procurement, AT&C losses and human resource management of Meecl and its 3 subsidiary companies. Other departments and the Meecl and others having gone through all the aspects of this inquiry, it was presented to the cabinet today and the cabinet has accepted this report, and after accepting this report it has given instructions to the power department to ensure that all steps are taken to implement the different suggestions that have been made by this inquiry committee and also to make this inquiry committee report public.